I had to park a little bit further, so car didn't know where I was going. One year anniversary. Happy birthday to you, car. Open the frunk. Open the frunk. Oh. Okay. Let's go to the back. Okay, car. Time to blow out your candles. Alright, are you ready? Go! Alright, so as you already figured out, I have had my Tesla for 1 year. I decided to put together a little quick video, have a little birthday celebration for car, and that's KARR, which is Knights Automated Roving Robotics. It's a little spin-off from KITT, what was the evil nemesis of KITT from Knight Rider. I'm going to try to be as brief and to the point as possible with my feelings on the vehicle, having it for 1 year. First off, a quote from Elon Musk himself. He says that most car companies consider their cars as just a transport or a utility device with no soul and no character. If you watch the video, you'll see up ahead, my car smiles. My car has character. It does things that no other car does. So what you're trying to bring into, what Elon is trying to bring in Tesla to the vehicles themselves, it is character. It is something different. It's not a regular vehicle that you just get in and drive from point A to point B. There's so much more to it. And even when you're sitting at point B waiting to visit a customer or waiting to charge, there's other things to do. You don't have to just get out of the car, walk around, or do whatever. If you need a quick charge, you can watch a quick video, check something on the internet. There's so much more to it. Elon also says that people spend a few hours a day in the car, and it is true. Going to work, coming back from work, your daily errands, weekends. For me, I spend a lot more than just a few hours. We're talking 4 to 5 hours or more at a day. Sometimes 2 to 3 hours one-way trip. So my takeaway in a year of ownership, biggest thing, maybe besides owning a great car that I love, is the community. One of the biggest things is the community. I'm not going to sit here and specifically say any names, but I mean from North America in general, that whole spectrum. I've got to meet people who've now become friends, got to meet people that when I go into another country I will hang out with. So that is one of the biggest things. And again, why I'm not going to specify any names, because I know I'm going to forget someone and I don't want to make any of you upset. You know who you are. From that 1 year, I drove 80,000 kilometers, 50,000 miles. That works out to 6,670 kilometers per month. Sorry, my American friends, you'll have to do all these conversions yourselves. I gave the first one, my 80 to 50, because that's an easy one. So 6,670 per month, which equates to 1,670 per week, which again breaks down to about $235 per day. Crazy, I know. But this car has taken me to Florida twice. So from Toronto to Florida. I've been to Nashville. I've been to Kentucky, Pittsburgh, drove down to Boston, been up camping up north to Bon Echo up north, Montreal many times, and all over Ontario. Briefly about some issues. Car is not perfect. We can complain about panel gaps. We can complain about paint issues, whatever. Majority of that's been fixed. I don't care. I can look at my car and it's still beautiful. I love it for what it is. I'm not going to sit there and nitpick at certain things. Some things, yes. Don't get me wrong. When you pay that much money for a car, a vehicle in general, covered under warranty, the taillight right side had condensation. That was replaced in February of this year. It's happened again. Last month I've noticed it, and this was a replacement. So although I am out of warranty, Tesla does give a 1-year parts and labor on anything that was replaced. So that was done in February. From that time, February of next year, I have 1-year warranty on it. The horn. So I've had it. Don't know if you can hear this. That's not the way the horn should sound. That's the high pitch. The low pitch is gone. That also was replaced. So what I'm a little upset about is that it's happened again. Taillight condensation twice. It's going to be replaced. It hasn't yet. And the horn, and it's going to be replaced again twice. So 2 separate issues. Interesting. Undercarriage cover. So I had the undercarriage in the back when my vehicle was taken off the trucking carrier. Somehow it scraped underneath the rocker panels and the undercarrier carriage. In the back we have a soft, I think now they've actually gone to hard plastic. Before it was soft. It was like a material what we have in the wheel wells. So if you look at the wheel wells, you'll understand what I mean if you don't have an older Tesla Model 3. That was damaged, same thing, and replaced. The rocker panels damaged and replaced. That was also, I noticed that when I picked up the car. B-pillar camera on the driver's side was having issues, replaced. Glove box was not sitting flush. That was replaced. All under warranty. So there's been issues and all covered under warranty. Not covered under warranty, what was out of pocket was the windshield. Again, I do a lot of driving. I'm on the road, the 400 series highways, which in Toronto, loaded with trucks. It's all we have. And I could not avoid it. Huge rock came in, hit the driver's side, and within a week it spidered up and was covering my driver's side. I had to replace it. It was about $1,400. Also on the 400 series, a truck which was in front of another, there was a van, and then in front of that was a truck that the tire, one of the tires fell off, the rubber, and the van itself that was in front of me drove over it, and I saw the car doing, maybe I'll put the video of that. And within like fractions of a second, I looked behind me, I could not slam the brakes. I looked to the left of me, I had a pickup truck. Looked to the right of me, there was a big rig truck. I could not swerve. I had to basically hold it, brunt, and hit it. I hit it, I heard the thumping and everything. Slowly, when it was safe, I moved over. I couldn't chase that truck down. It was long gone. The van in front of me, long gone. But needless to say, the bumper got damaged and the fog light was damaged. It cost me about $280 for the fog light and to be replaced by Tesla. Thank you, Oakville. You know who you guys are. They fixed it and replaced it for me, and they did some patching up to the bumper. I didn't want to get it replaced because I knew it was going to be out of my insurance and a lot of money out of pocket. Another thing too with Teslas is tires, but my all-season original tires got around 40,000 kilometers on it. Not a lot. So needless to say, I called up Michelin and I did get a warranty claim. They offered me 40% off. So I paid about $900 instead of around $1,600, $1,700, which it should have been. Maintenance. Cabin air filter. Again, it says every 2 years it should be replaced, but because of the driving I did it, I replaced it. It was about $50 for the 2, and I did the work myself. not that hard. Tire rotation, I discussed that. And alignment, again, because of the fact that I hit that tire from the truck. I already did a lot of driving. I've put a lot of kilometers and miles on the vehicle. It was just under $200. Briefly, I can talk about savings. I used to own a BMW before I purchased this. 330 series 2009, based on the 2009 330 BMW. That was $26K. It cost me all out the door. Yes, I bought it used. Where the Tesla was $83,000 out the door. Brand new. My BMW was paid off for, no car payments. The Tesla, I put $20K down, but the BMW cost me an average of $1,000 or more per month in gas. Every 2 months, $200 in oil changes. The transmission did go out on that, speaking of that, and I elected, since I didn't have car payments, I elected to replace it. It cost me about $3,000. Other items that you do about every 2 years, again for me, because of the amount of driving I do, a year and a half, give or take. Ball joints and shocks. Actually, well, the ball joints went out a lot. Then we're talking shocks, spark plugs, timing belt, Tesla cost. So we already talked about the maintenance that I've done. My electricity per month has gone up about $60. Think about that. I used to pay $1,000 a month in gas. So now you've taken that equation out, and then you've thrown in the electricity amount. That's a big difference. $940 per month, but I pay $770 per month, give or take. Add the electricity or whatever else you want to do, let's put it up to $900. I am still saving over $100 per month. I have done 12,400 kilowatt hours. If we take out and say the battery is roughly 78 kilowatt hours, that is less than 160 full charges. And as per Elon, it's rated at 1,500 full cycles. I think I have a little bit longer to go. What do you think? We want to talk about updates. Again, the BMW, if I want to update anything, change the muffler. I did some Dyna products to the engine for some upgrades, get a little bit more power. Going back to the power, like I said, all that work I had to do to the BMW to get a few more ponies, horsepower, whatever you want to call it. Twice since my ownership of the Tesla, I have gotten 5% increase. 5% increase was about 4 or 5 months ago. And then again, just recently, 4 days ago, as of the recording of this video, another 5%. That's an increase of power, again, for free. And where? It happened in the comfort of my garage. I did not have to book an appointment. I did not have to go pay anything. I just waited for a software update to download to my vehicle, and boom. The car is getting better over time, not the other way around like most ICE vehicles. Tesla, awesome. Elon Musk, awesome. The community, awesome. The amount of savings, awesome. Don't compare a $30,000 car to this car that's $80,000. Or let's do this, $30,000 to $80,000. Okay, it's not in the same category, and we're not talking about everything. You got to look at the long run of the car. Am I in a different category than most people, spending $1,000 on gas? Yes. So for me, it was a huge, huge savings. I saw the rewards right away. It's going to vary, but in general, you're getting a better car every couple of months. Like, what more could you ask for? So anyways, I'm going to stop rambling on. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you guys in the next one. Margarita, I've been doing the 1-year anniversary birthday for a car. Okay. And I did the video. And I've been talking about the good, some of the bad, obviously from the start, and a lot of the good. And I know I'm putting you on the spot here. This is so not scripted. And I just want you to give, just off the top of your head, off the top of your tongue, your opinion on the 1 year of this car. What's your thoughts on it?
I think it was great. We had a lot of trips. I think twice to Florida, Pittsburgh, Tennessee. Almost said Tennessee.
Tennessee's the drink.
Tennessee. And it was very excited to drive this car. Even I don't drive, but I was sitting next to you. You was excited, so And I think like with Tesla, we did much more trips than usual because it was kind of easier to travel with this car. And it cost us $0.
Because we had the 6 months free supercharging. And what about like the upgrades and stuff?
Yeah, it's a lot of upgrades, I'm guessing, through the year. You're the one who feels
Well, I was
most,
gonna say,
because you're the driver, right? For me, what? And every time we got a new version, we have to go somewhere because we want to practice.
Let's try it out. Let's drive around in this, and let's test the no using any brakes for this whole ride, right?
Yeah.
All right. So again, the moral of the story: Tesla has been great. Thank you again. I know I keep repeating myself, but Elon, Tesla, all the engineers, everyone that's been behind the product, everyone out there watching this, all the supporters. I mean, seriously, great company, and I wish them nothing but best of luck. And I love my Model 3.
You love me more.
I was just about to say that. I love my wife a lot more. I really, really like my Model 3.
I know I'm not getting upgrades, but still.
At least the upgrades with the Model 3 are free. You want to upgrade your boots? I gotta pay for it.
Okay.
Speaking of boots, let's go.
Cut.
Cut. We gotta say bye and stuff first. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click that like button and subscribe to my channel if you already haven't, and you may catch more of Margarita also.
What? Bye.